In this video, I'll show you how to add custom code to your Wix website. This is a useful way to expand your site's functionality, whether you're embedding widgets, maps, or other features. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the editor for the site you want to customize. On the left-hand menu, click the Add Plus button, then scroll down to Embed Code. From here, select Embed HTML. A box will appear on your page where you can enter or paste your code. If you're adding something like a booking widget, map, or form, paste the HTML code directly into this box. You also have the option to enter a website address instead of code if the feature requires loading an external page. Once you've added your code, click Apply. The custom element will now appear in your editor. Drag and resize it as needed to fit your layout. Before finishing, always preview your site to make sure the code is working correctly and displaying as expected. And that's it. You've successfully added custom HTML code to your Wix site. With this feature, you can extend your site beyond the built-in tools and customize it to fit your needs.